delicious.
Yeah.
Now, it's like I didn't even touch the dog.
Afraid. Don't be afraid.
No, I'm feeling.
I'm so
Feeling
drunk.
some kind of way.
Nice meeting you here and to send me as well. Perfect. And just information to you to make sure you get the video.
Night market or
Street food.
yeah, restaurant market.
Looks great, thank you.
So beautiful.
This drink is humongous.
Look at the frozen flower tube in there.
Yeah.
Night rolling.
Dumplings. Wow, looks great. I mean, yeah, let's dig in, guys. It looks so good.
I wasn't gonna get it at first, but I did.
We should just throw our own.
It almost looks like this place.
I think they won.
Thank you so much.
This traditional Indonesian breakfast, mie goreng, comes with fried egg, fried noodles, a little bit of sweet soy sauce, and a cracker. It's delicious.
Get them waxed.
Oh, by the way, guys, so we've booked Airbnb with a bathtub, and they said we got one, so I think everything is fair. Doesn't matter that the bathtub is outside, but the view is iconic, right?
Good morning.
already said that pigs are super cute but also super delicious, and that makes cooking and eating a little bit problematic. Anjing! 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 Yes! Anjing!
Like the mother, and then planting
God, it
in the
smells like
soil,
jamu.
and then the going
Oh,
anywhere.
jamu!
Yeah, it reminds me of jamu.
Yeah, this is the good sometimes for the antiseptic too. Sometimes put in the skin, sometimes problem with knife, everything. They put here the stopping blood. More red color, this the red color. Sometimes the black rice, this the rice a black color on the top like that. And then sticky rice, more white color, yeah. Because this the rice not yet the full bean, because still the 2 months. Already 2 months rice, this not yet empty inside, don't have anything. Whiting until 3 months already full bean. Yeah, because this the processing they make the skin. Already 3 months and then have the milk inside. And then whiting until 4 months. 4 months until maybe 2 weeks. And then rice already full bean. And then the size rice like that. And then all the color not green again, already yellow. Dry. Where you see the rice peel dry yellow, this rice ready for the cutting for harvest.
Pisang rai.